Hello everyone! So if you want to customize the display settings on your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all open up your settings. Here they are. Now find your display and brightness tab. Here we can do actually a lot of things. So the first one is adjust brightness. You can adjust it manually by dragging on the scale from left to right. So choose the perfect variant for you depending on your battery power and your personal taste, right, and your eye capacity. The next thing is adaptive brightness. So if you turn it on, it will let your phone automatically adjust it by its own. The next thing is eye protection. So if you turn it on, it reduces a blue light going on our screen, which is especially helpful in the evening. If you prefer a dark theme, simply tap on the switch and the dark theme will be enabled automatically, which is great. However, I will leave on a light screen for now. Now we can set up a screen timeout anywhere from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Once again, choose up to your taste and up to your needs. Next thing is auto rotate screen. So if you want your screen and your applications like YouTube to start auto rotating, simply enable it. Then it goes screen colors. So here we can adjust our screen colors. We have three preset modes like standard, default, which I have on right now, professional, and bright. Here also you can adjust a color temperature. It can get from warmer to cooler, right? And you can check the result on your preview window. The next thing is font and display size. Here you can adjust your font size, so simply drag it on the scale to make it larger or to make it otherwise smaller, right? And you can adjust display size. Once again, goes exactly the same. On the left it makes the display smaller, on the right it makes the display bigger. I like a small display, so I'll leave it on a smaller. You can also enable a bold text and a high contrasted text. Next thing is your font style. So here you can choose your font style and you can download more fonts if you want to, of course. Status bar. So here in your status bar, you can choose how notifications appear and enable options like network speed, display, and battery percentage. So you can do that, go through them and adjust them just to your taste, right? Next thing is screensaver. So if it's on, you can customize it. You can enable it when to start it, right? So once again, try it out. Screen resolution. I guess it's clear in its name. Here's a preview how it looks like. Choose it up to your taste. Next thing is screen refresh rate, which is a really great thing. Here you can choose between a smart switch for adaptive changes, 60 Hz and 120 Hz, just like this. And last but not least is your visual enhancement. So if you want your visual enhancement to happen and make AI turn your screen into a nicer version of it, simply enable the switch. However, the battery usage gonna be much bigger. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.